How to show order counter for your Shopify product page. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so completely for free. So all you need to do really is just go down to the description. You should be able to find a code. You simply just want to copy that code and follow along. So we're just going to go to our online store, click on themes and click on edit theme. From here, we simply just want to go to the default product page. So we can just click here at the top, click on products, and click on default product. Now from here, we want to go to the template section here from the left side and click on the arrow next to product information. Now under details, we're just going to find add block. You want to click on that and add custom liquid. So scroll down until you find it. And if you don't, you just want to click on show all at the bottom. And now it should actually appear here somewhere. As you can see, custom liquid. So we're just going to click on that. Now, very simply, just click on it and paste in the code that you should be able to find in the description right in here. And as you can see, we have 72 orders today, and it's going to be increasing by the minute. Actually, no, it's going to be increasing by every 2 minutes by 1. Now, you can feel free to change all of that. So I'm just going to show you the code real quick and show you what you can actually change with it. So here's the code here, and all you need to change really is going to be the first thing is the 72 here at the top. You want to change it to the starting number that you want. So let's just say 500. And then we just want to scroll down to the bottom and we should find 3 different things here. First, also change this to 500 or whichever number you did at first. And then you want to also add or change this, which is how much it's going to increase by. So by default, it's going to be every 2 minutes, it's going to increase by 1. If you want to change that to 2, just do 2. And this is going to be in milliseconds, but the time needed for it to change to 2 more. So it's going to be after 2 minutes, 502, and then 504, and so on. So again, just make sure you add the time with milliseconds. So once you're happy with this, you simply just want to copy this new code and replace it with the previous one. So just come back here, highlight this, paste in the new one, and you're going to see that it's going to change with 500. And again, after 2 minutes, it's going to become 502 and then 4 and so on. So just click on save and you're pretty much good to go. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.